The objective of trade negotiations is for business partners to share plans, synchronize activities and resources, and agree to a set of terms and conditions outlined in a written agreement. These agreements spell out the discounts and incentives that the retailer receives in return for bulk purchases, promotions, in-store merchandising, and displays and cooperative advertising. Destiny agreements are full-year agreements, negotiated at the start of Year 3 and Year 4, and formalized by means of contractual annual agreements that are signed off by both parties. These agreements cover quantity purchase discounts and promotional support. The quantity discounts on trade price are based on purchase quantity commitments for the full year. Here, for instance, Team Sonova is offering Fujimart 3.5% discount on the trade price of Iris for their commitment to purchase 180,000 units in Year 3. Promotional support is the payment by manufacturer to retailer linked to promotions. Destiny contracts allow promotional support by manufacturers for price-off promotions and in-store display. In-store displays, also referred to as point-of-purchase displays, include gondola end displays, block stacks and forms of special displays. Categorized as small, medium and large, displays influence purchase behavior and lift sales. In this example, Sonova agrees to fund the retailer $7,500 each quarter for 6 weeks of medium-sized display and 5% price-off promotion of Iris. In addition to in-store activities, products are promoted through cooperative or feature advertising. These advertisements, jointly run by retailer and manufacturer, inform shoppers of in-store incentives, such as price discounts. For instance, this May Day special advertises the reduction in price of the Pepsi carton pack. The pack price has been reduced from $12.40 to $7.80 for the May Day week. Co-op advertising fees are typically split 50-50. However, the proportion manufacturers agree to pay will vary depending on their priorities. In JOCA, the agreements span the full year, covering 2 decisions and 4 quarters. You may access the template by clicking the icon with $pen and paper at the top left. Details on the elements of the contract are provided in the notes within the agreement template, as well as the trade negotiations section of the handbook. The system only allows for manufacturers to prepare and edit the trade agreements. Yet for the agreement to become effective, both parties have to sign, and you do that by clicking the Sign button. Each manufacturer negotiates up to 6 agreements, i.e. 2 retailers x 3 categories. As for retailers, the count is 9 agreements. Preparation is key to success in any negotiation. For use for planning purposes, the Excel template shown here can be downloaded from the Resources folder in the Destiny platform. Manufacturers should pay attention to brands they want to push through the trade and the incentives they want to offer for those brands. To contain the cost of promotions, it is important to remain focused. Retailers should likewise focus on the brands they want to prioritize to drive their business and seek the support of the manufacturers to incentivize shoppers. Retailer promotions plan should be aligned with the roles each brand plays in their category and chain strategies. While negotiating with your manufacturers, bear in mind that traffic builders, profit generators, image enhancers, turf defenders, etc. require distinctly different emphasis. Both the quantity discounts and promotional support result in the transfer of funds from manufacturer to retailer, provided the retailer meets the stated commitments. So to some extent the agreements ease the margin pressures the retailers are facing. Usually a large proportion of the incoming funds are passed on to shoppers to incentivize them to shop at the chain and purchase the promoted items. Retailers may indulge in investment buying if the quantity discounts are particularly generous. Investment buying or forward buying occurs when the retailer purchases extra supplies and bears the additional inventory holding or carrying costs. This is likely to occur primarily for products that do not expire. Investment buying may create inefficiencies over the supply chain and is likely to result in a decline in manufacturers' revenue and profit in subsequent periods due to the post-investment drop in purchases. By aligning the trade partners towards brand and category objectives, a good agreement should be mutually beneficial, resulting in superior business performance and improved marketplace equity. Take note that the agreements cover the full year. Since the discounts apply on annual purchases, the P&L adjustments only appear at the end of year, i.e. after D4 and after D6. Negotiation is undoubtedly one of the important skills that you need to develop as a business leader. It is also a key aspect of business marketing.